In a small village nestled among rolling hills, long ago when the world was young, there lived a boy named Tamar and his mother, Adina. They dwelled in a humble mud brick house with a thatched roof, surrounded by fields of wheat and barley. Tamar was a curious child, always asking questions about the world around him.
Mother, why does the sun rise each day?
He would ask. Adina, patient and wise, would answer.
The sun rises to warm the earth and help our crops grow, my son.
Every morning, Tamar would help his mother fetch water from the nearby stream. He carried a small clay jug while Adina balanced a large one on her head. As they walked, she taught him about the plants and animals they saw along the way. One day, while returning from the stream, Tamar spotted an injured bird on the path.
Mother, look.
He cried, pointing at the creature.
Can we help it?
Adina knelt beside the bird and examined its wing.
Yes, Tamar. We must always show kindness to those in need.
She gently picked up the bird and carried it home. For days, Tamar and his mother cared for the bird, feeding it and tending to its wing. Tamar watched in wonder as the bird slowly regained its strength.
Will it fly again, Mother?
He asked hopefully.
We shall see, my son. Sometimes all we can do is offer our help and hope for the best.
Adina replied. As the harvest season approached, the villagers prepared for the annual festival. Tamar helped his mother bake sweet bread and prepare bundles of herbs to trade at the market. He loved the excitement of the festival, with its music, dancing, and storytellers from distant lands. On the morning of the festival, Tamar woke early. To his amazement, he saw the bird they had nursed back to health perched on the windowsill. As he watched, it spread its wings and soared into the sky. Overjoyed, Tamar ran to wake his mother.
Mother, the bird has flown,
he exclaimed. Adina smiled warmly.
You see, Tamar? Our kindness has been rewarded. The bird is free because of your compassion.
At the festival, Tamar listened to tales of great heroes and magical beasts. But in his heart, he knew that the greatest magic of all was the love and wisdom his mother shared with him each day. As the sun set on the festival, Tamar and Adina walked home hand in hand, their hearts full of joy and gratitude for the simple life they shared in their ancient world.